Want to know how to fix can't install app error code 504 or 505 in Google Play Store? You might be seeing these error codes 504, gateway timeout, or 505 when trying to download or update apps. No worries, here's how you can get this problem sorted out. But before we start, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Solution 1. Clear cache and data for Google Play Store. Corrupted data in the Play Store app itself is a common culprit. Open your phone's settings, scroll down and tap on Apps or Apps and Notification. Find and tap on the Google Play Store. Tap on Storage and Cache. First, tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Storage or Clear Data and confirm your choice. Solution 2. Clear cache and data for Google Play Services. Google Play Services is critical for app functionality and updates. For Google Play Services, open your phone settings, go to Apps and Notifications. Find and tap on Google Play Services. Tap Storage and Cache. First, tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Storage and then Clear All Data. Solution 3. Update Android System (OS). Sometimes the error is due to your Android operating system being outdated and incompatible with newer app versions. Open your phone settings, scroll down and tap on System or About Phone. Tap System Update or Software Update. Check for any available updates and install them. Your phone will restart during this process. Once updated, try installing the app again. Solution 4. Check date and time settings. Incorrect date and time settings can interfere with Google's servers. Open your phone settings, go to System or General Management. Tap Date and Time. Make sure Automatic Date and Time and Automatic Time Zone are enabled. If they are off, turn them on. If they are already on, toggle them off and then back on again. Try installing the app again, and that's it. One of these steps should help you fix the can't install app error code 504 or 505 problem in Google Play Store. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.